Well, welcome back to the Wiser Retire online setup. And by now, you have followed the first step, which is just to get your online account. Now we are within the program and we have step one, family profile. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set up the family profile. If you've entered your name correctly in the original setup, it should have just you. If you are married or you're a domestic relation, registered domestic relation, or if you want to enter a partner. Now here's what's important to remember. If you enter a partner, and let's say you're not married, you have to be very careful because the program is going to use joint tax rates. So if you are going to enter someone, say as a domestic relation or as a single person, maybe you are cohabitating, but you are not filing a joint tax return, that's fine. Go ahead and enter them here. However, you're going to have to remember to make some changes in the program itself. There's some additional clicks that I'm going to show you later on to account for those types of relationships. So we're going to go ahead and just enter the name, and let's just change the name here. What we're going to do is we're just going to change the name to John. We're going to pick our favorite person here, John Doe, and let's say that it's Mr. And let's give him, well, we'll just leave that standard date there at 1970, and we'll leave him living in Nevada. All right, and let's see here, John Doe, and let's say it's a senior, and we're going to put that life expectancy here, and we're going to put it out to age 90. Now, how do you determine when this should be? Let's say that your parents lived until they reach 100 and you're in just a pillar of health. I might change that to 100. Again, you can go back and change the planning assumptions at any time, especially once you're into the plan itself. You can use little sliders to change what the life expectancy is. And let's put Mrs. here. We're going to give them the same birth date, and we're going to hit save. Now, depending upon if you have children, grandchildren, or other. Now, what might an other family member be? Well, I might have a mother-in-law that we have living with us, and that's mother-in-law, and let's say it's Ethel, and the relationship is mother-in-law, and maybe it's the same last name. Okay, so let's just change this. We're going to go back because that would be kind of weird, wouldn't it? All right, let's go back to maybe 1945. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and hit save. So we have two 50-year-olds and a 75-year-old, and of course you can add additional children as you wish. So you could have John Doe Jr. And let's say that John Doe Jr. was born in, let's say, what would be realistic? Early 90s, mid 90s, somewhere around there. Let's say 92. Okay, good enough. Hit save, and you're going to go ahead and hit next. Make sure that you fill out all of the information, because when you get to the planning stage, things such as cash flows, if you want to run what-if scenarios, if one person has a healthcare catastrophe, if you want to run one person passes away, will the other be able to survive? You want to make sure that you have everybody filled out. So if you're one of those people that live in a household where you might be the wife or you might be the husband, and you're the one that is actually handling the money, don't just enter your own information, because the critical analysis and the critical plan at the end will not be accurate. And when you're done, go ahead and hit next, and then progress on to the next video, and I'm going to show you how to enter salary and other income.